5 Airline-Friendly Carry-On Suitcase 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Airline-Approved 20-inch Softside Carry-On. Your seamless journey begins with our Airline-Approved 20-inch Softside Carry-On, offering ultimate convenience and peace of mind. Its compact 13x 8.5x 21.3-inch dimensions perfectly fit major airline overhead bins, letting you skip baggage claim and save valuable time upon arrival. Effortlessly glide through busy terminals with 4 smooth, multi-directional 360-degree spinner wheels, providing unparalleled maneuverability. Intelligent organization inside includes multiple compartments, a detachable 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, and quick-access pockets, ensuring neatly stored essentials are always within reach. Crafted from durable, tear-resistant 1680D nylon with reinforced corner protectors, this carry-on is built for lasting reliability through countless adventures. An adjustable telescopic handle ensures personalized comfort for all travelers. Travel smarter, travel easier. Number 4. Lightweight waterproof carry-on with laptop compartment. Tired of travel hassles? Meet your ultimate companion, the lightweight waterproof carry-on. Designed for stress-free journeys, this airline-approved luggage glides effortlessly on 360-degree spinner wheels, even fitting under most seats. Wave goodbye to gate check anxieties. Its super hardy, waterproof canvas exterior protects your belongings, easily wiping clean. Inside, discover a masterclass in organization with 15 pockets, including a dedicated padded laptop compartment and a clever hidden zipper. You'll love the included 3 packing cubes and a wet pocket, ensuring everything from your suit to damp swimwear stays perfectly in place. Plus, a TSA-approved lock keeps your essentials secure. Travel smarter, not harder, with this elegant and robust carry-on. Number 3. Airline-approved Softside Spinner Carry-On with TSA Lock. Elevate your journey with our airline-approved Softside Spinner Carry-On, meticulously designed for the modern traveler. Measuring a perfect 22 by 14 by 9 inches, it fits effortlessly into most overhead bins, ensuring stress-free boarding every time. Crafted from durable, water-resistant polyester and gliding silently on 360-degree spinner wheels, your travels will be smooth and quiet. Stay perfectly organized with its thoughtful layout, a dedicated waterproof wet pocket, roomy main compartment, and multiple front pockets keep essentials neatly arranged. A padded front laptop compartment offers quick, secure access to your 15.6-foot tech, ideal for business on the go. Complete with a TSA-approved lock, robust zippers, and an ergonomic telescopic handle, this carry-on combines security, convenience, and unmatched quality for every adventure. Number 2. Hardshell Airline-Approved Carry-On Set Plus Backpack. Tired of travel hassles? Discover the ultimate Hardshell Airline-Approved Carry-On Set Plus Backpack, your 3-in-1 solution for effortless journeys. This essential set includes an airline-approved 20-inch carry-on, a versatile 36L professional backpack, and a packing cube, ensuring unmatched organization. The smart backpack keeps you powered and secure with its dedicated 15-inch laptop sleeve, anti-theft pocket, and integrated USB charging. Glide through any terrain with the Suitcase's silent 360-degree spinner wheels and adjustable telescopic handle. Crafted from scratch-resistant, ultralight ABS, this carry-on boasts military-grade durability, shrugging off impacts and maintaining its pristine look. Inside, superior space and cross-compression straps keep belongings neat and secure. Travel smarter, lighter, and completely organized. Number 1. Airline-approved Softside Rolling Carry-On with TSA Lock. Tired of travel hassles? Meet your ultimate travel companion, our airline-approved Softside Rolling Carry-On. Expertly designed to fit major overhead bins, 21.65 by 9 by 13.78 inches, it ensures stress-free boarding and saves you from check-in fees on most major airlines. Navigate airports effortlessly with its dedicated external laptop compartment, making security checks a breeze, while quick access pockets keep your essentials at your fingertips. Inside, A roomy 45L main compartment with smart dry/wet separation perfectly organizes belongings for 2 to 5 day trips. Enjoy peace of mind with the integrated TSA-approved lock and glide through terminals on Whisper Quiet double spinner wheels. This carry-on isn't just luggage, it's your ticket to seamless, secure, and stylish journeys. So, that sums up my 5 airline-friendly carry-on suitcase. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.